Welcome to Adobe Acrobat Pro DC course. This course will give you thorough training on how to use Adobe Acrobat software. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC software has been developed by Adobe. It lets you create, edit, organize, combine, export, share, and collaborate, manage, form, and much more using Adobe files. This course is designed to cater the needs of a lawyer in their day-to-day affair. Some of the most frequently tools used in the Adobe Acrobat Pro DC in lawyer office are PDF editing, organizing and combining PDF files, bookmarking, OCR, redact. Let me answer your question on productivity. Most of the tasks you perform using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC can be done through internet for free. So why to use Adobe Acrobat software? Using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC saves a lot of your time. It generally takes 4 to 5 minutes using internet to perform the task on PDF file. But using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, you can do anything within a second of time, and at the same time, you will get time for more productive work. Further learning Adobe Acrobat Pro DC will boost your CV and help you in getting jobs.